Bennie Master's Lecture, Flawless Right View and Vibrational Practice. Dear fellow practitioners, greetings to all. Life is like a wave, rising and falling without cease. Do you long for a true path to shatter delusion and achieve flawless liberation? Today, we explore the essence of practice, using right view to dismantle the viruses of affliction, employing vibrational waves to cultivate good and eradicate evil, advancing directly to flawless penetration. Let us together kindle the lamp of Dharma and illuminate the path to awakening. 1. Flawless right view, the gate of practice. Right view opens the gate. Unintentionality equals flawlessness. Practice begins with right view. Arhats act unintentionally, eating, walking, all flawless, for their minds are free of greed, anger, ignorance, pride, and doubt, untainted by afflictions. Ordinary people, unintentionally tossing a stone into water, might kill a diver. This is flawed, as delusion and viruses lurk within. Right view, akin to Musk's first principles, observes all things purely, truly, and thoroughly, free of affliction. Viewing non-greed with right view, free of false clinging, yields results that are pure and freely wielded as desired. Right view is the gate. Flawlessness begins here. Afflictive viruses, the root of self-imprisonment. Wrong views, ignorance, and delusion are synonyms for fantasy, accompanied by the four viruses of greed, anger, pride, and doubt, leading to fixation on pleasant or unpleasant sensations. Afflictions like interfering software trap us in self-harm, self-pity, and self-destruction, achieving nothing. Realizing their harm, we know they must be eradicated, turning to opposing virtuous acts, not only dispelling afflictions but also cultivating merits like generosity and discipline. Free of afflictions, actions become unintentional. Unintentionality is flawlessness. The gate of practice is thus established. 2. Vibrational practice. The path of cultivation. The power of thought waves. Cultivating good, destroying evil. All phenomena arise from vibrations. A single thought wave resonates with like frequencies. Sustained thought waves, sound waves, and biological waves can build good karma or dismantle evil fruits. Buddhism skillfully employs this. Chanting Buddha's name, reciting mantras, repenting, and sitting in meditation plant virtuous causes with mindfulness, breaking evil karma. Continuous thought waves, stacking and collapsing, form seeds that bear fruit when conditions align. Practice is the replacement of delusive waves with waves of right mindfulness, enabling us to shape outcomes, good or evil, as we will. 3 Essentials of karma. Root, condition, fruit. Karma forms through 3 elements. The root, emitting specific thought waves, the condition, sustained vibration, stacking, and collapse, and the completion, information, matter, and energy manifesting as fixed karma. Virtuous thoughts like compassion and equanimity, when sustained, yield boundless good fruits. Delusive thoughts mixed with afflictions become painful fixed karma. The path of practice lies in using waves of right mindfulness to establish virtuous causes and sever evil conditions, step by step purifying the mind. Clarifying the mind, cutting defilement, toward flawlessness. Practice is like settling water. Delusions sink, clarity emerges. Under viral interference, desires dissipate like clouds. With right views insight, knowing afflictions are futile, we resolve to eliminate the causes, conditions, and fruits of error and suffering, establishing the eightfold path. Right view, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. This path cuts defilement, leading to flawlessness, advancing steadily onward. 3. Flawless penetration, the fruit of practice. Eradicating ignorance, reforging merit. Ignorant delusions are like scrap, needing to be melted down and recast into capital for self-benefit and others' welfare. Fully realizing the harm of viral programs, we eliminate them completely, leaving the mind untainted, achieving the fruit of flawlessness, perfect penetration and effortless freedom amidst conditions. Boundless good fruits. Goodness comes in countless forms: discipline, concentration, wisdom, liberation, insight, compassion, and equanimity, all fruits of right mindfulness waves. Practicing thus not only eradicates evil but builds merit. Conclusion. Right view guides, vibration completes the path. Dear fellow practitioners, the gate of practice is right view, shattering delusion, recognizing afflictive viruses. The path is waves of right mindfulness, cultivating good and cutting evil, grounded in the Eightfold Path, clarifying the mind toward flawlessness. The fruit is perfect penetration and freedom. May we wield right view as a torch to dispel ignorance, practice with vibration to achieve merit, and step into liberation. Thank you all.